Welcome, my dear friends and students. I am here with our new series Listen to Me. This is our unique initiative to connect with the students, to listen to their views and opinions about the issues which matter them most in their life and career. Through this talk series, we will try to reach out to the educators and the learners of Pan India on various burning topics. Today, we are here with the educators and learners of Modern Sandeepni School, CBSE affiliated boarding cum day boarding senior secondary school at Pathankot. Their motto is higher, stronger, and brighter. They believe and have a vision of providing futuristic quality education at affordable prices to the masses to make India Sashakt and Atmanirbhar Bharat. As we all are familiar that this year due to pandemic, schools were operating online. Most of the students could not get an opportunity to attend the schools physically. So the big question here is, in this academic year, should board practicals be held for grade 12th or not? Now let us move and take the opinion of teachers and students of Modern Sandeepni School on this issue.
Hello everyone. My name is Vijay Singh and I am working as PGT English in Modern Sandeepni School, Pathankot. Today I would like to put forth my opinions on carrying out the practical examinations for grade 12th in the session 2021. As the name suggests, it's relating to the real actions rather than ideas or the thoughts and demonstration of some practical skills. In the absence of practicals, students may possess a feeling of less achievement. So psychologically, it may have a counterproductive impact on them. As one very important and significant thing can be considered here, as very less time has been devoted in carrying out the practicals during the pandemic period. So if all the students start working on the theme, time is less, recovery is more. I feel it will make them more punctual, honest, sincere and dedicated. And moreover, we are on the way to create a very strong future generation. So the practicals are indispensable. These should be conducted without any doubt. Thanks.
Hi, this is Sonam Sharma, PGT Maths, Modern Sandeepni School, Pathankot. Today I am here to share my opinion regarding CBSE practicals for grade 12. Should they be conducted or not? So in my opinion, practicals are the necessary part of learning process for students. Practicals in the laboratories give a replica of real world to the students. So if for this academic sessions, practicals would not be conducted, students may have a psychological impact that they have missed something really important. So practicals should be conducted in the schools as well. Schools must have proper measures for students. Rather than conducting practicals just in a one day, it can be divided into 2 days. It can be conducted for 2 days or more than that, depending upon the strength of students. Secondly, rather than allotting students with marks for this session, students can be allotted with grades for practicals, and maximum marks must be reduced. Rather than keeping a subject for 100 marks, it can be reduced to the marks which is having only a theoretical part, and practical marks must be allotted in terms of traits. So in my opinion, practicals should be conducted for this year too.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I study in class 12. I am the head girl of Modern Sandeepni School. Call me Harneet Kaur. I know no one of you have ever thought about the last year of school being started and ended within the stream of an electronic gadget. all the 15 memories which we all have made. But with this, something else is of great importance. A lot of pressure burning like lamps. The month of December. Does it ring a bell? Yes, a few months for board exams and practicals. Okay, can you imagine someone teaching you to swim or drive within the walls of your house or providing you with a guide which will make you best in these respective fields? Of course, it's impossible. I think this is quite relatable with the current situation. Although schools in many areas have started, but if we go for overall student attendance, still parents don't agree to send their ward to the school. Some have transportation problem, and some students like me who are residential find it quite difficult to go to school. Let's cut to the chase. Practical examination is the application of theory.
It complements theory. But students are still finding their feet and have buried their head in sand, waiting for some news to come that will give a call for online examination. And in this case, CBSE has already declared that the online examinations would not held in any case. Students are still not done with the theory part, so how will they cope up with the practical examination? Moreover, just by attending a few in-person lectures in school cannot help them with this. I know we have to face the music and we have to get over it, but either CBSE should cancel the practical examinations or the students must get some more time for offline school-based education so they can clear both their theory as well as practical portion. Because till the time you don't do anything by your own hands, you don't learn it. And I personally believe that practical examination is going to be a catch-22 for most of them. But as a last resort, we can just hope for the best to come for us. And let's just not go with the flow, but understand the situation and find a way out of it. So let's do it together. All the very best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my appreciation is Tanish Thakur and I am pursuing in Plus 2 Non-Medical from Modern Sandeepani School, Pathankot. As for today's discussion, I do agree for the conductance of both practicals. Well, due to current situation, it might be postponed but it cannot be cancelled. As we all believe that practical knowledge is the best knowledge and thus the practical exams are conducted to improve our practical skills as well as practical thinking. If you look at the bright side, the year 2020 wasn't the worst year at all, or rather it was a challenging year in which everyone has to challenge themselves alone for prepare for the upcoming battles or for the upcoming challenges. In the nutshell, it is rightly said that anyone alone can achieve anything. In the epilogue, I want to say that prepare yourself so that you have no regrets in the future and do your best. Thank you.
I am Tanya Chandel and I am pursuing my education from class 12th non-medical of Modern Sandeepani School. Since last 9 months we are going through a very caustic situation, although we have been able to find solutions to many of the problems, but still there is a major problem which is being faced by the students. The problem to cope up with the practical examinations with exams. Students are ambivalent regarding the examinations because neither they are able to attend the school nor they are able to understand the concepts completely. As I think, no one can become an expert overnight. Only a practice makes someone perfect, right? And also, I think that it's not a cup of tea for the students to understand the concept so much easily in such a short period. As we all know, greater the practice, greater the expertise, right? Okay, so well, the government have taken an initiative to reopen the schools, but the students are not attending the schools because some of them are facing transportation difficulties, some of them are residential students, and in other cases, parents do not allow their ward to come to school. So in this case, the authorities should themselves think that how the students will be able to give those examinations. And because the Practicals and the theory is very different from each other. Practicals are something which have to be done by our own hands and by our own observations, not on the screen. But theory we can done by ourselves. So I'll end up by saying that if held, the practical examinations would be a great burden on the students. This is all upon the authorities, so let's hope for the best and thank you.
Everyone, my name is Karandeep Kaur and I am pursuing my education in class 12 non-medical of Modern Sandeepni School. As we all know that a year before, we all were busy into our normal life and routines. But suddenly a drastic change left us all in a drought. This pandemic has affected us economically as well as emotionally. But the part of society which has been affected more are students. No doubt the government has introduced virtual classes, but still there were many students who did not have any access to internet. This year was actually not a cup of tea for the student life. And in such circumstances, it is really not possible to have practicals because practicals are something which cannot be done online. It's also not possible offline because there are some students who are residential and are living far apart from the schools. And there are some parents who disagree to send their wards to school due to safety purpose. And the situations have become so capricious that no one can predict what will be the next scenario. This all is on the authorities. So let's hope for the best.